So today I will be showing you how to create a border in AutoCAD 2020. You first will want to open up AutoCAD. You will first see a white background, which is not what most people want to see. So the first step is to type options, and it'll come up in this drop down box right here. As you see it's hovering over options, so you can click enter. And once you click enter, it'll hover over the display tab, which is what you want to be on. So then you go to this color tab right here, click the color tab, go to the top right hand corner where it says color, click the drop down box, click on black, click apply and close, click OK, and now your background is black. The next step is to click on the grid, turn it on, click on snap mode on, click on your reference lines, and then your 2D reference points, turn them all on. Then click the drop down arrow right here, check off endpoint, midpoint, center just by clicking on them. The next step, after you turn everything you need on, is to click on layer properties. You'll see that there's only one layer at the moment, so you may want to make new layers. To create a new layer is to click this button right here where you see my arrow hovering over. Click it, make 4 new layers. So click it 4 times, change the name. My first one will be borderline because that will be the line on the outside of every other line you see. And then you want to change the color of your line, so any color will work. So hover over color, click on one of these boxes where it's all white, click on it, change the color, click OK, change the color again and again. The next step is to change the line type. So click on line type where it says continuous. It will only come up with one line type at first, so you want to click on this load button. Click on any line type you want because there's many options. Doesn't matter what it is. Click on one of them, click OK. You'll come back to this main point where you just started at, so you want to click on this, the line type you chose, click OK, and now you've changed your line type. Do that for each other layer you have. So after you change each line type, you want to change the line weight. So you click on a layer, you go to the middle, and then you just go right here, click on it, and it'll open the line weight tab. So you click on any line weight you want. This is just how thick the line is that the layer is on. So the thicker you go, the easier it'll be to see. So my borderline is going to be the thickest. So that's the setup of your layers. So the next step is to start creating your border. The way you create your border is by clicking on polyline. Make sure you're on the right layer, so you start with your borderline layer. You're on polyline. So you click on any point on the graph because you turned on your snap, and then you scroll downward, type the number 15, click enter, and now that's 15 feet downwards. So there's a snap to make it go straight, and you want to do 15 by 15, so you just type 15 again, and then you click enter, go up, and it'll snap to a right angle, so you just type 15 again, and then it's all symmetrical. Then you press escape, and this is a box, so you can type the letter M, press move if you can't see it, click on it, and then move it upwards. The next step is to change your layer, layer 1, click polyline, right here in the top left hand corner, click polyline. Go a few spaces inwards, so I'm going to go 3 inwards. Go down till there's 3 left. And now you change your layer. Click polyline again. Go 2 inwards this time. And click your 3rd layer. Click polyline right here. Go 2 inwards. And now you have your border. The last step that most professors would like to see is that you want to show what you made. So you click on this text box, click the down arrow, click multi-text line, create a box, and then you type your name, your subject. You can change your subject, and your purpose. And the way you move this down into the border is by typing the letter M. Like I said earlier, it's hovering over the text move right here. So you click enter, click on this, and then move it into the middle, and that's how you make your border. The last step is to save your project plan. Click save as, click wherever you want to save it. I already created one border, so you name it border 2. Click save, and that is how you create your border in AutoCAD.